The bird black nape monarch, a small passerine bird found in South and Southeast Asia. Aperis males have vibrant blue plumage, a black nape patch, and a black half collar. Females are duller with olive brown wings and lack the black markings. And to inhabit both dry and wet forested areas, from sea level up to the foothills. They primarily feed on insects like butterflies, moths, and crickets. Conservation status: the species is widespread and common, not currently threatened.